Hello everyone, are you ready to unlock the full potential of Columns AI? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the amazing live dashboard feature and how to customize it like a pro. We'll play with graphs and even explore some exciting features that will make your dashboards pop. Let's dive in. Open your browser and go to columns.ai. Click the Sign In button to enter your account details. If you're new, don't worry. Signing up is super easy. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Columns workspace. Now here's where the magic happens. Look for the Dashboard Pages option and click on it. You'll see all the dashboards you've created. I have one dashboard here, so let's open it up and see what's inside. You can see a variety of graphs I've added. Feel free to resize, move, and arrange them to fit your style. Your dashboard, your rules. Want to add a graph? It's super simple. Head back to your Columns workspace and click on the Story button. Here, you'll find multiple data options to upload. For this example, I'll load data from Notion. Once it's loaded, you can chat with the AI to create a graph. I've got a prompt ready. Show total values by status in a bar chart. Let's hit Enter. Click on the query to run it. Voila, the graph is ready. Check it out. You can customize your graph using various styling options. Look at the difference. Once you're happy with it, click on this button and select Save to save your masterpiece to the workspace. Now, let's add that graph to your dashboard. Click the button again, select Dashboard, and a pop-up will guide you to choose where to place your graph. I'm selecting my dashboard and clicking Save, and then click Sure. And there it is, right on the page. You can easily resize it to fit your layout. You can play with it and change its location. Ready for some cool features? Click the three-dot menu on the graph to reveal the Graph Tools. You can export this graph using this button. There are a lot of options available to export the graph. You can use this button to switch between table and graph view easily. Now, let's give your dashboard a personal touch. Click the Page Settings button. You can rename the page and even change its icon. I am changing its name and going with the bar chart icon for a sleek look. You can also choose to show or hide various elements, like authoring info, card title, or the card menu. It's all about your preferences. You can use this option to show or hide the graph tools. I am going to turn this on. You can see that the graph tools are now displayed here. Want to share your dashboard with others? You can do that too. And once you're satisfied with your settings, hit Save to keep all your changes. Let's make this dashboard even smarter. Go back to your workspace, select the graph, and click the three dots. Choose Schedule and turn it on. Set your update frequency, how about every hour? Now, any changes made will reflect automatically. And that's a wrap. Today we transformed a basic dashboard into a vibrant, dynamic tool with Columns AI. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.